Hello everyone, welcome you all. Here I am going to discuss details of F-15 Eagle jet fighter. I am going to discuss its technical details, its specific features, and also different types of variants. We'll watch the flying video of this aircraft, and also we'll take the comparison of the similar aircrafts of the different countries. The F-15 Eagle is an US twin-engine all-weather fighter aircraft designed primarily for air superiority, renowned for its exceptional maneuverability, range, and combat record with no losses in aerial combat. It features advanced avionics, a powerful weapon system, and is capable of engaging multiple enemy aircraft simultaneously. The F-15's versatile pulse Doppler radar system can look up at high flying targets and down at low flying targets without being confused by ground clutter. It can detect and track aircraft and small high speed targets at distance beyond visual range down to close range and at altitudes down to treetop level. Key technical details of F-15 through one single seat versions or two for Strike Eagle. Length 63 feet 9 inch, that is 19.43 meter. Wingspan 42 feet 9.75 inch, that is a 13.05 meter. Engines 2 Pratt and Whitney F100 or General Electric F110 turbofan engines. Maximum speed Mach 2.5, that is 2.5 times the speed of sound. Armament 20 cannon, various air-to-air missiles like Air Interceptor Missile 9, Sidewinder, Air Interceptor Missile 120, Air Advanced Medium Range Air-to-Air Missile, like different armaments it will have. Service ceiling, the F-15 have max service ceiling 60,000 feet. The range, the different variants have different range, both ferry and combat. There are different variants of this. I'm going to discuss. Those will have the different ranges, and when taking the separate particular variant, we'll take those details. Important points about the F-15 air superiority focus. The F-15 is primarily designed for air combat and excels in dogfighting. That is the uh, aerial close range fighting battle due to its high maneuverability and powerful engines. Strike Eagle variant. The F-15E Strike Eagle is a two-seater version with enhanced ground attack capabilities, allowing it to carry a wider range of weapons. Proven combat record. The F-15 boasts an impressive combat record with no losses in air-to-air engagements. That means there is no single aircraft is missed while taking the air-to-air engagements in different warfares. Advanced technology. Newer F-15 variants like the F-15EX incorporate advanced radar systems, electronic warfare capabilities, and improved mission systems. Variants F-15A bar B early production models. F-15C bar D single seat and two seat air superiority versions. F-15E Strike Eagle multi-role fighter bomber. F-15EX Eagle 2 latest variant with improved capabilities. Historical context. Developed in the late 1960s to meet the US Air Force need for dedicated air superiority fighter. First flight in July 1972. Widely exported to several countries including Israel, Japan, Saudi Arabia. Israel Air Force has a particularly impressive combat record with the F-15, claiming numerous victories with no losses. That Israel is using this F-15 within different that is warfares, and there it will be claims that is no losses and victories also. Here we can see the flying video of this F-15. It's rolling and vertical flying, and that shows its air superiority and close range combat, and also it will be flying the lower range, also higher range, also it will take because of its radar system, and it having the dogfighter capability also higher. Specific comparisons we will take with the other aircrafts. There is first F-15 versus Su-27 flanker. Advantage of F-15: superior range, advanced radar technology, potentially better electronic warfare capabilities. Advantage: Su-27 may have the slight edge in close in dogfighting maneuvers due to its design. Very close edge will be there with the F-15 in dogfighting. F-15 versus J-16. It is Su-27 is Russian and J-16 is of China. Advantage of F-15: more advanced radar system, greater overall reliability, and proven combat record. Advantage of J-16: potentially better situational awareness with its design and advanced avionics in newer variants. We can compare with a Russian Su-30 MKI also, which is used by the India. Uh, Speeds, it is having the Mark 2, while the F-15 is having the Mark 2.5. F-15 is having the higher speed. The F-15 max range is 3,900 and Su-30 is 3,000. And other capabilities also, if you compare, the Su-30 is somewhat lower version compared to the US F-15. I have already prepared the video for the other different fighter jets, and the links for those I will give in the description, and you can refer and watch those also. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe, and comment.